I was one of the guys who implemented the SOLIDWORKS, and the first version we was using was version 2000. The company was founded in 1961. At that stage, breaking eggs was done by people doing it by hand. And the first machines was only able to handle a few eggs, but over time processes has changed, so now we're able to break 230,000 eggs per hour. The breaking market, it's a never-ending story. We are the market leader and we shall stay in that position.
SANOVO Technology is a company that develops pretty much any machine you can imagine for processing eggs.
When we started the journey in year 2000, we did a market analysis. We are producing machines of sheet metal, and they have very complex cleaning in place. And the water in the machine shall drain to a single point in the machine. So the task we brought out to SOLIDWORKS and their competitors was to create this bottom part of the machine in sheet metal. And the only one at that time that was able to do this task was SOLIDWORKS, and that's why we started up with SOLIDWORKS at that time.
We have multiple locations over Europe, so it's also a part of what I oversee and support is the different departments we have across Europe, where they have local manufacturing and design departments. And also project execution. So we also supply turnkey solutions and consider that into the way we use SOLIDWORKS and SOLIDWORKS PDM. The way SOLIDWORKS helps us in overall, of course, is as a 3D CAD modeling tool is basically the bread and butter for a designer and engineer today. I enjoy most actually the usability, even as the administrator for the system. PDM was implemented 10 years ago. It's a tool that helps us control and manage our product data via SOLIDWORKS files and the workflows that we have set up. It's also a part of already the automations that we have implemented for pushing our items and our assemblies and our parts from design into manufacturing and purchasing. When we approve an item for production, it's automatically pushed the data towards our ERP system.
We have control of our revisions, but also we are a group of companies. So because of the PDM systems, and we are tied together in this European system, we are able to move resources around between the different production sites.
Functions in PDM such as the copy tree function and reusing designs. We use simulation to, of course, verify design choices. So it's mainly constructional static simulations where we verify what do we expect our models, how do we expect them to behave under load in the different machines, make sure that we size them correctly. The software like Composer we use in order to help our manuals for use and operator, but also in terms of assembly manuals.
All this material they have access to in the production. They have SOLIDWORKS full licenses out there they can use, and they can use e-drawings. And this is possible because of the floating license structure. I think it's honorable that we have been chosen to be a part of this. And we have used SOLIDWORKS for our design works in the group for 25 years. And it's the most important tool for us in our development phase to use SOLIDWORKS. We shall not only be good to SOLIDWORKS, we shall be the best to use SOLIDWORKS so we can get good, reliable products on the market.